Officer Dave, would you open the courtroom for us, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Haney. Mr. Thorne.
Morning, Your
Good morning. Here he is. Like I said, one guy short. Here he is right here.
Oh, I don't know.
All right. All right. Let's get him to unmute. There we go. We are on the record. This is file 22-192-503. Auto Owners Insurance versus Rescue Unit Towing, Drake's Collision. Appearances, please, gentlemen.
Morning, Your Honor. Jared and Jessica on behalf of the plaintiff, P77599.
Good morning, Your Honor. Steve Haney, on behalf of defendant Drake's Collision, P63947.
Thank you, Your Honor. Kurt Thornblade on behalf of the Defendant Rescue Unit Towing, Inc. on P25858.
All right, gentlemen, where are we on this file?
Still have been unable to settle the matter, so I think we just need some dates for Mr. Thornblade's motion and then proceed forward.
Okay. So we're not able to resolve the file. All right, then your discovery will be closed. And how long do you think it'll be, Mr. Thornblad, for you to get your motion cranked out?
I've already filed it, haven't I?
Oh, let me check. I'm sorry, I picked up the wrong file. Excuse me. Yes, you did. Okay, we'll calendar. Let's see. Motion for our next hearing date. Then that's going to be. Let's see. June 26th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
I am out of town on that date.
And that's not gonna work then, is it? So what we probably need to do is see if we can't move it up. How about June the 12th? Does that work for everybody?
And you said 10:30, correct?
No, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. That works for me.
Works for me, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Thornton, he's got to get up and check.
Does June 12th work for me? Your Honor, I'm checking on the June 12th date.
Okay,
June 12th works?
You have Tatus in the morning.
Oh, let's see that. Who have we got in the morning?
Tatus, Bob's brother.
Oh, okay, well, no, I have a different district, but what time is his
In
matter?
the morning, 8:45.
But that's a 36th District Court case, right?
Right.
Oh, all right, that'll work.
all right.
That'll
June,
work. I have a different 36th District Court matter at 8:30, so 11 o'clock or 10:30
Okay.
should work.
June the 12th at 10 o'clock. We'll give you a motion. Anything else we can accomplish today?
I think that's it.
Don't believe so, Your Honor.
Okay, June 12th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
10 o'clock.
Thank you.
We'll out
Every day.
today. Thank you for coming in. Let's be safe out here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Check, but I saw them. Or then, I think I saw the next day. So I wasn't thinking they were tomorrow, I was thinking they were next week.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get Ms. Moore connected to audio.
Sounds good, Judge.
All right, Ms. Moore, can you hear me?
Think she could hear you, but we can't hear her.
Yeah, now she's connected.
I'm sorry.
All right.
There we go.
We're here. We have everybody. Let's call our file. This is file 22192-547. Forest Health Medical Center versus Shante Moore. This is the date and time for a motion for summary disposition filed on behalf of the plaintiff. Could I have your appearances, please?
For the record, Your Honor, Stuart Collis P 49530 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And what is your name, ma'am?
Shante Moore.
All right, Ms. Moore, did you file an answer to the motion for summary disposition?
Yes, I sent it off probably like 2 weeks ago. They didn't get it.
No, ma'am, I don't have an answer. Did you send an answer to Mr. Collins?
Yes, that's what I sent the answer to.
You didn't file one with the court?
Yes, I went down to 36. It's not there. Look, wait, give me 1 second. Let me
Yes,
see if I
ma'am.
got it. Let me get this date. My receipt. What day is this? Is that May? Let me see. I need the bigger receipt. This should be another one. No, that's April. I sent it off. It had to be like 2 weeks ago.
Ma'am, I'm looking at the register of action. And I see nothing from you since the last time we had our pretrial on April 24th.
I have the receipt. Let me see.
Tell me what day you filed it, ma'am. Look on your receipt.
That's what I'm looking for. I got my old receipt. I can't copy. No, this came down here. Where is this? Nope, this is your stuff. This is this April. Yes. I can definitely, cause I sent them one, it's in the. What day did I, oh, wait. They just sent it. Right. That's the day. I could have sworn I had that receipt.
All right, let's stop. We're not making any progress here. This is what I'm going to do. Ms. Moore, you need to pay attention to this. I'm going to adjourn this motion to June the 12th, which is a Monday at 10 o'clock. There will be no further adjournments. If you want to file and serve an answer, you should do that right away, both to Mr. Collis and to the court. June
Okay.
12th at 10 o'clock, there will be no further adjournments. We'll send out an order today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, counsel.
Thank you, you too. Good seeing you.
Good to be seen. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Waiting for Mr. Stratton to appear. Hello?
Good morning, Judge.
Let's get started, gentlemen. This is file 22-178-276. Dearborn Total Automotive versus Olivia Martin, Richard Caldwell. Your appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trevor Stratton, P65124 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Leslie Cohn for the defendant. 34889.
And you're representing Ms. Martin only, is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. When we were last together, it appears to have been a while, Mr. Stratton, that the court entered a default as to Mr. Caldwell, but I don't see your default judgment. Has that ever been submitted?
Yes, Your Honor. I filed a proof of service of sending the default to Mr. Caldwell.
Not the default, the default judgment.
Right, Judge, but along with that, I needed a proof of service for the default itself.
Right.
I have a copy of that in the file, which means that I sent that along with the default
And
judgment.
when was that, sir?
This proof is dated May 5th.
May 5th? Well,
Yes.
it's not in my file as of today. The last entry on this docket in the register of actions appears to be where is it here? Yeah, send me a note. That's probably the best thing to do.
Do you want me to mail it or fax it, Your Honor?
Oh, you can bail it, because there'll be enough time before our next time.
Okay.
Okay, we're down to Ms. Martin now. What's going on?
Your Honor, last time we were here, you encouraged us to resolve the case somehow. I did send Mr. Cohn a email asking for an offer from his client. I don't know if he was able to procure one. I haven't received a response to that email.
The email, I'm sorry to interrupt. The email was ridiculous. My
Okay,
opposing
we're done.
counsel,
I'm done with this. This is an account stated case, and there either is or is not a debt. I don't think there seems to be any question that your client, Mr. Cohn, co-signed on the note. This is what's going to happen. Mr.
Please.
Stratton is going to send me, in addition to his default and proof of service of that default, the default judgment in regard to the other defendant. He's gonna send me his motion for summary disposition as to your client. I have tried to give you guys opportunity to work it out. It apparently is not going to be worked out, so I'm gonna make a decision. That's it. How long do you think, Mr. Stratton, it'll be before you're able to file your motion for summary disposition?
I mean, within 14 days or
All right,
for demands, so.
all right, I'll give you 14 days. Let me get my calendar out so we can get this matter calendar. This is, we're spinning our wheels here. We're not moving anywhere.
I agree.
Today is what day? Today is 22nd. 14 days is going to be by June the 5th. Mr. Cohn is entitled to 3 weeks. So how about we go on July 10. Does that work for everybody?
I'll go get my calendar here.
It does work for me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, if I may, I don't mean to occupy this court's time. I'm not strongly disputing that my client signed the note. As I've explained to my opposing counsel, my client does not have any money. And that any judgment against her.
That's an issue different than disposition of the case.
Well,
I'm
no,
trying to give you guys a chance to work that out, and for whatever reason, you can't.
no, I've explained to my opposing counsel that my client has no money.
Okay, then here's what we're gonna do.
If that's the only.
Then why?
Your
Then
Honor,
you could be working a consent judgment, Mr. Cohn. The question of collection is a different question than the amount and the entry of judgment.
And my client will just simply declare bankruptcy.
So let your client declare bankruptcy. This
That's-
case has been going on since when? January of 2022.
Yeah.
We've had innumerable pretrials.
Oh, yeah, I've
Does that
stipulated
July-
to setting aside defaults.
And
Multiple times.
he's done the same.
No.
Both of you don't have. Look, does the July 10th day work for you, Mr. Cohen, or not?
What time then?
At 10 o'clock, sir.
All right, I can make it work.
Okay, then that's the reason to resolve the problem. This is what's going to happen. You're going to get an order from me that I'm sending out today, calendaring Mr. Stratton's motion for summary disposition as to your client for July 10th at 10 o'clock.
That'd be fine.
And Mr. Stratton is going to send me a default proof of service and default judgment as the co-defendant. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Let's be safe. Easy. Well, there's nothing else to do. Appreciate you coming in.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day. We're
You
off.
too.